This is the Lockpicking Lawyer, and today we are revisiting the Hyper-Tough Deadbolt that I featured and picked in video number 908. Hyper-Tough is a Walmart store brand, and this is a pretty low quality lock, so I figured we could have some fun with it using my Wendt Galaka core puller. So here's the plan. I'm going to take this down to the garage, set it up in a mock door, and see if this tool can pull the core right out of the front. Okay folks, as you saw, the puller made short work of this so-called hyper-tough cylinder, dragging the pins right through the metal of the housing without any complaint at all. I think I'll need to concoct a more challenging test for next time, but that's all I have for you today. If you do have any questions or comments about this, please put them below. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please subscribe, and as always, have a nice day. Thank you.